A BYD owner in China drove 265,000 kilometers in 18 months. Battery health at the end was 94.5%. Meanwhile, Western EV owners are panicking about degradation at 50,000 miles. The difference is not the car, it is how you maintain it. In this video, we are revealing the exact maintenance approach that Chinese EV owners use to push their batteries past 500,000 miles without replacement. Number 1. Master the charging window. This is where most Western electric vehicle owners get it wrong on day 1. They plug in every night and charge to 100% because that feels natural. But every hour your battery sits at full charge accelerates a process called calendar aging. The chemical reactions that degrade the cathode material speed up at high states of charge, especially in warm climates. Here is the rule Chinese BYD and Xpeng owners follow religiously. For daily driving, charge between 20 and 80%. Never go below 20%. Never leave the battery at 100% for more than 1 hour. For lithium iron phosphate batteries, which BYD uses across its entire lineup, charge to 100% once per week to recalibrate the battery management system. This keeps your state of charge readings accurate. For nickel manganese cobalt batteries used in some Enio and Xpeng models, cap daily charging at 80%. Charge to 100% only before long trips and drive immediately after. Research from Jeff Dahn's lab at Dalhousie University confirmed that cycling lithium iron phosphate batteries near the top of charge between 75 and 100% is significantly more degrading than cycling between 20 and 75%. That single habit change can extend battery life by 30 to 50%. But when you charge matters almost as much as how much you charge. And that leads to step 2. Number 2, prioritize slow charging. Fast charging is convenient. It is also hard on your battery. Every DC fast charge session generates heat inside the cells. That heat accelerates side reactions that consume electrolyte and reduce capacity. Chinese electric vehicle owners use fast charging for road trips and emergencies. For daily driving, they charge at home using a level 2 AC charger at 7 kilowatts. This gentle, overnight charge keeps the battery temperature low and distributes lithium ions evenly across the anode. Data from Recurrent Auto shows that electric vehicle owners who rely primarily on DC fast charging experience 2 to 3% annual degradation, compared to 1 to 1.5% for owners who charge primarily at home on AC. Over 10 years, that is the difference between 90% battery health and 70%. A home level 2 charger costs $300 to $600 to install. A battery replacement costs $8,000 to $15,000. The math is not complicated. Charging habits protect the chemistry, but there is a physical system that protects the battery from its worst enemy, and almost nobody maintains it. Number 3, service the thermal management system. Heat is the single greatest threat to lithium-ion battery longevity. Every electric vehicle has a liquid cooling system that pumps coolant through channels in the battery pack to regulate temperature. If that system degrades, the battery cooks from the inside. Chinese electric vehicle owners flush and replace battery coolant every 50,000 kilometers, roughly 30,000 miles. BYD uses a dedicated coolant circuit separate from the cabin climate system. Enio has an independent cooling loop for each battery pack. Xpeng integrates battery and motor cooling but recommends separate flush intervals. Check your coolant level every 6 months. If it drops, you have a leak that will eventually cause cell overheating and permanent damage. Use only the manufacturer-specified coolant. Generic coolant can be electrically conductive, which creates short-circuit risks inside the high-voltage battery enclosure. A coolant flush costs $100 to $200. Thermal damage from neglected coolant causes cell imbalance that cannot be repaired without pack replacement. The cooling system protects the battery from heat, but what protects the rest of the car from the forces most people forget about entirely? Number 4. Replace brake fluid every 2 years. This surprises most electric vehicle owners because they barely use their brakes. Regenerative braking handles 80 to 90% of deceleration, so the mechanical brakes rarely engage. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air regardless of whether you use the brakes or not. After 2 years, that moisture corrodes brake lines, calipers, and ABS sensors from the inside. BYD, NIO, and Xpeng all recommend brake fluid replacement every 24 months. Use DOT4 fluid that meets your manufacturer's specifications. The cost is $30 to $50. A corroded ABS module costs $1,500 to $2,000. Brake fluid protects the safety systems. But there is a related problem unique to electric vehicles that Western owners almost never address until it is too late. Number 5. Exercise your mechanical brakes monthly. Because regenerative braking does most of the work, your brake rotors and pads sit idle for weeks at a time. Moisture accumulates on the rotor surface, rust forms, the pads glaze over. When you finally need maximum braking in an emergency, the system underperforms. Chinese EV owners deliberately use their mechanical brakes once per week. During a safe stretch of empty road, they disable regenerative braking and apply the brake pedal firmly 3 to 4 times from moderate speed. This scrubs rust off the rotors and keeps the pads conditioned. Neglect this and you will hear grinding at your first hard stop in months. Rotor replacement costs $300 to $500 per axle. Prevention costs nothing but 10 seconds of attention once a week. If you have made it this far, then consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. This helps us bring you more honest automotive analysis that you will not find anywhere else. 5 steps in and we have covered the battery and brakes. But the next 3 steps, protect components, most EV owners do not even know their car has. Number 6, check the 12-volt battery annually. Every electric vehicle has a small 12-volt lead-acid or lithium battery that powers the computers, locks, lights, and infotainment system. When this battery dies, your car is completely immobilized. The high-voltage pack cannot start the vehicle without it. Chinese owners test their 12-volt battery voltage every 6 months with a simple multimeter. If it reads below 12.4 volts, replacement is imminent. Most 12-volt batteries last 3 to 5 years. Replacement costs $100 to $300, depending on the model. Getting stranded because a $300 battery died while your $60,000 main pack sits fully charged is the most preventable failure in any electric vehicle. Number 7. Inspect suspension and tires every 10,000 miles. Electric vehicles are heavy. The BYD Seal weighs over 2,000 kilograms. The NIO ES8 exceeds 2,400 kilograms. That extra weight compared to combustion vehicles accelerates wear on tires, bushings, ball joints, and wheel bearings. Rotate tires every 5,000 miles. Check alignment annually, especially after hitting potholes. Electric vehicle tires wear 20 to 30% faster than combustion vehicle tires because of the instant torque and higher curb weight. Use tires made specifically for electric vehicles, designed for the extra load rating. Standard tires wear out dangerously fast under the weight of electric vehicles. Number 8. Update software religiously. Chinese electric vehicle owners never skip or delay over-the-air updates. These updates are not just feature additions. They contain critical battery management system recalibrations that optimize charging curves, cell balancing algorithms, and thermal management thresholds. BYD pushed over 20 updates in 2025 alone that included battery optimization improvements. Xiaomi delivered 47 updates to the SU7 in its first year, several of which specifically improve battery longevity by adjusting charging behavior based on fleet-wide degradation data. Delaying updates means your battery management system is running on outdated logic, while newer algorithms could be protecting your cells more effectively. Software protects the battery from the inside, but the outside of your car has drain plugs and filters that need attention too. Number 9. Service the cabin air filter and the air conditioning system annually. The air conditioning system in an electric vehicle works harder than in a combustion vehicle because it also heats and cools the battery pack in many designs. A clogged cabin air filter forces the blower motor to work harder, increasing electrical load and reducing range. Replace the cabin filter every 12 months or 15,000 miles. Have the air conditioning refrigerant level checked annually. Low refrigerant reduces cooling efficiency for both the cabin and the battery thermal system. Number 10. Inspect the high voltage cable connections every 30,000 miles. This step requires a certified technician. The high voltage cables connecting the battery pack to the motor and onboard charger carry hundreds of amps. Over time, vibration can loosen connections and corrosion can increase resistance. Increased resistance means heat at the connection point. Heat means degradation. Chinese service centers include high voltage connection inspection as part of their standard 30,000 mile service. Most Western service schedules do not mention it. Number 11. Protect the undercarriage. The battery pack sits underneath the vehicle, protected by a skid plate. Road debris, speed bumps, and parking curbs can damage this protection without you noticing. Chinese electric vehicle owners inspect the undercarriage skid plate every 6 months for dents, cracks, or missing fasteners. A damaged skid plate exposes the battery enclosure to moisture, salt, and debris, which can corrode the pack housing and compromise the seal. Skid plate repair costs $50 to $200. Battery pack housing damage from exposure can cost thousands of dollars. Number 12. Keep detailed records. The highest mileage Chinese electric vehicle owners all share one habit. They track every charge session, every service interval, every software update, and every anomaly. Whether in the manufacturer app or in a separate notebook, complete records allow you to spot patterns. A gradual increase in charging time at the same state of charge range signals cell imbalance. A drop in range at consistent temperatures signals capacity loss. A new vibration after a software update signals a calibration issue. Catching these patterns early means the difference between a warranty claim at 60,000 miles and a paid replacement at 120,000 miles. Here's what all 12 steps come down to. An electric vehicle has fewer moving parts than a combustion car, but the parts it does have are more expensive when they fail. Chinese electric vehicle owners understand this. They do not treat maintenance as optional just because there is no oil to change. They charge strategically. They protect the thermal system. They exercise the brakes. They track everything. And their batteries reward them with 500,000 miles of reliable service, while Western owners are replacing packs at 150,000. Your BYD, NIO, or Xpeng was built to outlast any combustion vehicle on the road, but only if you give it what it needs. These 12 steps are not optional. They are the difference between inheriting your car to your children and scrapping it before the loan is paid off. Follow this maintenance philosophy and your Chinese electric vehicle will outlast your expectations by decades. If you found this video valuable, make sure to watch the next one where we reveal the Chinese battery secret that makes electric vehicles last over 1 million miles and why the second generation Blade battery changes everything.